So we're back. Just fiddle with just push it in against the crankshaft. Push in the black pin. Should go in one of the holes, the screws for the crankshaft. And here are the aligning pins. We're mounted on the engine itself, so you don't need anything else. Just press it in. 35 Newton meters, but still have a bit to go. Oh. The bookworm. My headlights battery went dead, so I have to stick a lamp in my mouth. So I'm just gonna tighten it to 35 Newton meters. Oh, of course I need a bigger socket. And 24 big sockets. Oh, come on. Don't have it. Not here. I have a 22, need a 24. Well, wait, I'll figure it out. Just put it on a little bit off. Ja, right there. Oh. Oh, come on. Get the fuck out of here. No. Revolution. A deep socket 24. You need a deep socket 24. No. Deep socket 24. Oh, fuck off. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, now we're pressing against the engine. You can feel it. So now I'll have to figure out how to torque it down to 24. Yep. Yep, it's in place, so yeah, it's against the engine. It's all right. Yep, doesn't go anywhere. The sealant is in there. I'll lay out another line just for the border. But now we have to figure out how to torque it down till 24. I'll find the long sockets. I'll get back.